Hello everyone, welcome back to Airlines Quest. Today, we've got some exciting news from the world of aviation and e-commerce. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, is taking flight in a different way by partnering with a Part 147 school in Florida to grow the aviation maintenance workforce. They're offering a career training program that's not only a game changer for their employees, but also addresses the aviation industry's workforce shortage. So, let's dive into the details. Amazon's Career Choice program, which focuses on upskilling its employees, is spreading its wings into aviation. Specifically, Amazon employees now have the opportunity to embark on a journey to become FAA Airframe and Power Plant (A&P) certified technicians. They're teaming up with the International Aerotech Academy, located near Amazon's Air Hub at Lakeland Linder International Airport. This program is a fantastic opportunity for Amazon employees to gain a foothold in the aviation industry, and we applaud Amazon for investing in their team's education and career growth. The Aircraft Maintenance Technician pathway is providing this incredible opportunity. As part of this program, Amazon employees can take night classes or day classes, depending on their schedules. Night classes are set to last around 22 months, while day classes will take about 18 months to complete. Once they complete the program, they'll be eligible to test for their A&P certifications. It's not just a win for Amazon, but also for the aviation industry, which is facing a significant workforce shortage. International Aerotech Academy is doing its part to combat the aviation workforce shortage. They have a holistic approach, offering not just Part 147 maintenance training, but also flight training, maintenance operations, and even charter services. The Academy's commitment is evident in its partnerships with airlines, MROs, and aircraft manufacturers like Spirit Airlines and Piper Aircraft. For students in its pilot training programs, job opportunities become available after achieving specific flight hours and passing interviews with potential employers. These initiatives show how the aviation industry is coming together to address the talent gap. In conclusion, Amazon's venture into aviation training is not just a game changer for its employees, but also a significant step towards addressing the workforce shortage in the aviation industry. It's a win-win scenario, and we hope to see more initiatives like this in the future. If you found this update as exciting as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more aviation news and insights. Thanks for joining us at Airlines Quest, and we'll see you in the next video.